Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn smoke effect in Photoshop. Let's start. Create a background. File open, select the image. Now grab the image, select all color range, background white, inverse. Go to modify, contract by 3. See, more closer. Now can to add this area. Fine. Again add. You can shift. Press shift. You can add. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Insert the image. Insert the model image. Remove the unwanted area. Just delete. You can do little rotate. Create a name model. Again copy one layer, model layer. Rename. This name is liquify. This is liquify. This is model. Now hide a liquify layer. Select the model. Go to gradient. Fill option black and white. Little gray. I need to 50%. Okay. Then angle 45. Scale 180. Linear to radial. I need to radial. Reverse. Enable the reverse. Okay. This is a background. Take out the previous background. Then select the model. Go to gradient map. This is also black and white. You select black and white. Okay. Again go to black and white. Just select Alt plus select. Opacity 50%. The model like a black and white. Select the model, go to layer mask, go to paint brush tool, model not visible, go to density, you can decrease. Now you can view, select the smoke brush. This is a free smoke effect. This is available in website. You select the one option, select the size, just one pick. Okay, then go to density 100%. See, now mod have a little smoke effect. Again go to brush tool, use regular brush. You can remove the smoke effect in face. Fill color is white. You can remove the unwanted smoke effect. Okay, model ready. Then go to liquify layer, select the liquify layer, copy the both layer, insert the liquefier, just click alt plus click. Now again add a levels, little dark, opacity 50%. Go to layer style, soft light, select liquify layer, go to filter, liquify. This is a liquify window. You can select freeze mask. You can freeze the face only. Just freeze. Just select. This is forward bar. You can draw. Which size you need a smoke effect, you can draw. I need this much, go to OK. Okay, fine. Now add a effect. Select a liquify layer, go to layer mask. Go to layer mask. You can not find, just density, decrease the density, you can find it the image. Now little gradient, little dark is very, you can increase the color, gray, fill color gray, little dark, I need to little dark. Okay, fine. Then select the liquify layer mask, go to brush tool, fill color white, select the brush, smoke effect, this. You can reduce the size 1000. This is fine. Just click, or you can rotate. In mouse left click you can do rotate. Now select. This is fine. Now select the smoke effect, another one. Reduce the size. I need 1200. Little rotate. Select or right click. You can rotate. Fit the angle. Then you will pick. You can find the effect. This is fine. Okay. Again, right click, open the layer window. Open the brush window. You can select the brush, reduce the size. This is fine. Then you will pick. Then just select. Okay. Now you can escape actual view. Density 100%. See, the smoke effect is ready. Then select the brush, normal brush or regular brush. You can select the unwanted, interchange the color, fill color black. Now you can drag, you can remove the unwanted smoke. Yes, fine. See, little remove the wick. Yes, smoke effect is finished. Then add a magic lamp. Select a magic lamp, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V. Copy paste. Flip horizontal. Yeah, this is fine. Then need a little effect, smoke effect. Add a layer, add a new layer. Select the smoke. Select the brush tool, go on smoke. This is fine. You can reduce the size. This is fine. Okay. Now it will rotate. Fix the correct angle. Little more rotate. Go to brush tool. move over, little rotate. Select the brush tool. This is right angle. Just one click. Fill color black. Now you can click. See. This interior little open. You can add a little smoke. Center area I can add a little smoke. Okay, size you can reduce 600. Make a 400. Yeah, fine. Just select. Just click. Open it. Escape. The actual view is open. Opacity. You can reduce the opacity 75%. The only effect of same finish. You can select a brush tool, the regular brush, and do little shadow for magic lamp. Little adjust. Okay, place it behind the magic lamp. See, little shadows. Opacity 90% or 80. This is fine. Okay, everything is enough. This is smoke effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.